What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA splitter on this base model Lexus IS. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the NIA splitter. 1, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. 2, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. 3, we offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine and might have some scratches, but they are perfect for wraps or the DIYers who know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer and is ready for paint. We also offer them painted, which means you can get them color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and now the new F-Gray, which is similar to your front grille. And you can also get them in Hydro Dip, which is a method of applying carbon fiber print design to our kits and shot with a heavy coat of clear coat. 4, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy paste the same design to all the vehicles. 5, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts, pre-drill the holes, and include all the hardware for a smooth and easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle driver for a quick installation. First things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the bumper, make sure that it's nice and clean before installing the splitter. Get a clean rag and just wipe underneath. Now that the bumper is nice and wiped down, you're going to locate the factory 10mm bolts that align to your splitter, and with your 10mm socket, you're going to remove them. You remove this factory bolts. This one you grab a friend or family member to help you align it. Chris! Chris, where are you? What? What are you doing inside the car, bro? Oh my God. Once the splitter aligns, make sure you get the same factory bolts that you removed, and this time you're gonna hold them back up, holding the front splitter. Now that all the factory bolts are lining your front splitter, what you're gonna do is kind of leave it loose, and this time get your support screws, and you're gonna drill them in halfway through all the pre-drilled holes with your angle driver. Very important to do it halfway and do not over tighten it, because you can strip the plastic bumper. Now that all the support screws are in halfway, this is when you get your 10mm socket, and you're going to tighten up all the factory bolts. Alright, now that the factory bolts are nice and tight, get your stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to hand tighten all the support screws. Once all the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus IS. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thanks again, guys.